Sketch the graph of f of x equals 4 times the log base 3 of x. State the intercept and asymptote. I see this as a transformation of the basic function log base 3 of x. So let me sketch that function first. So the basic logarithmic function with base 3 would pass through the point 1, 0 and 3, 1. And it would be asymptotic to the x-axis. Sorry, to the y-axis. All right, so it's asymptotic to the line x equals 0. So then 4 times the log base 3 of x, that 4 is a scale factor. And since it's greater than 1, it's going to give us a vertical stretch. And so then instead of the point 3, 1, right, so let's use a scale of tens on each axis. Instead of the point 3, 1, we would have the point 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. So here's the point 3, 4. And said, well, 1, if my input is 1 and the output for the logarithm is 0, multiplying it by 4 would still be 0. Now, I would have also had the point 1/3 negative 1. So this point is 1/3 negative 1, since the log base 3 of 1/3 is negative 1. And so then that point, if my input was 1/3 for 4 log base 3 of x, my output would then be negative 4. So I have the point 1/3 negative 4. The asymptote is still at x equals 0. Right, so there's no adjusting the asymptote. Right, so the curve looks roughly the same basic shape. It's just a vertical stretch. The next point, if I really wanted to, let's see, the next point would have been 9, 2. Right, so the next nice point on the curve is 9, 2. And so now instead on this curve I would have the point 9, 8. And so there's the sketch of the curve f of x equals 4 log base 3 of x. The intercept to the curve is the point 1, 0. The asymptote would be the line x equals 0.